All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another Lidl vegetarian meal. Again, a medium spice. The last ones we've been doing in the actual oven itself. And the graininess inside the sauce, it's been the same. This is the butter chicken with basmati rice, tender pieces of chicken breast with rich, velvety sauce, spiced with authentic Indian flavors, with fragrant basmati rice. So it's got me thinking, what if it's not the oven to reheat this the correct way? So I am going to try the microwave. I know, Chef Mike is going to be our chef today. And we're going to see if it's going to be successful in the smooth creaminess to this chicken. So 400 calories in this one here. It wants us to puncture the film on this so the steam can escape. Cook on high for 6 minutes. And then remove, let it sit for 2. And we'll see what happens. So the time for the Chef Mike to prepare this is worlds beyond, and there's no waiting for preheating or anything. We will open up the package. Oh, this is the right-handed. This is the right-handed open. Okay. Okay. No. Oh, pop, 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 pop. Blah, blah, blah. Done. We will talk about that. We'll come back when it's all cooked. Right. 6 minutes up and 2 minutes delay. It looks like there's more moisture. Even though I has little holes in it, and it looks like there's more moisture. Okay. It smells like the butter chicken. I don't know if I'm just hoping that it's going to be good. Maybe I'm going to try keeping it in here, and I could save myself from dishes. We all love that. And so what I'll do, put this bowl away, is I'm going to take this little flap. I'm going to go flap, flap. Let's see how that works. I'm going to see if I can put you in my chin. No, I don't feel comfortable. Okay. Oh, just like this. Okay. No, I guess I could turn the light on. It wasn't working. It wasn't working. We tried. You're like, why are you lazy? Well, I just did dishes. And you don't want to do dishes when you want to do dishes again. Alright, so now, not all the sauce is there, but that's fine. I guess I could have used a spoon. We'll try it out. Chicken pieces are decent. Interesting. I don't taste the graininess. I no longer taste the graininess. Let's try a piece of chicken. This is so weird. This works better with Chef Mike than the microwave. And I don't know why. I just don't. Maybe there's more liquid. I don't get the graininess. I mean, it's weird. Maybe a little. Maybe it's just a little, but not as much. Oh my God! 630. It's ridiculous. It's a lot of salt. It's good. But I can't stress enough. If you have amazing mothers, I want you to go all give them hugs that make this. Maybe you even have fathers that make this. I'll try making it. Because nothing will beat this fresh. But for $5, for 6 minutes and $5, I don't think you could beat it. Go give your parents a hug.